X has joined an audit firm, and this audit firm has handed over an assignment pertaining to an audit of a client whose financial statements have been prepared in pursuance of the financial reporting provisions of the contract. Now, this is very much unique because if you see, the financial statements have been prepared in pursuance of a financial reporting provisions of a contract. The said client has entered into a contract with various entities stipulating payments to be made to these entities on the basis of certain parameters in lieu of services rendered by these entities to the auditee client. The contract contained the provisions that the financial statement shall be specifically be prepared considering the requirement of the contract. Now, in this case, how does the auditor deal with this actually here? Whether the standards on auditing will be applicable to these kind of engagement is the doubt she's having, the auditor is having actually here, and whether any special consideration to be borne in mind by the auditor while accepting an engagement. Okay, what is the thing, what he has to keep in mind as far as the audit is concerned, and also the reporting, how will you do the reporting requirement? So how do you deal with these kind of assignment is the question. Now, the very moment you see the question that the financial statements are prepared as per the reporting provisions of a contract, you have to apply the SA 800 series standard. An SA 800 series standard which deals with special consideration where the audit of financial statement which are prepared as per the special purpose framework. So how do you do the audit of financial statement which are prepared as per the special purpose framework? So now what do you mean by the special purpose framework? What is the meaning of special purpose framework here? See, special purpose framework is a financial reporting framework which is nothing but accounting standards designed to meet the financial information needs of a specific user. The financial reporting framework may be a fair presentation framework, or it could be a compliance framework. It could be either a fair presentation framework or it could be a compliance framework. That's the thing actually here. Okay. So the requirement of what you can say the applicable financial reporting framework, it will determine the form and the content of the financial statement, and also what constitutes a complete set of financial statement. So it will be what you can say the contract will prescribe that how you want the details to be presented actually. Say, take example, the cash receipts and disbursement will become a basis of accounting to meet the cash flow information requirement as requested by the creditors of the company. Are the financial reporting provisions established by the regulator to meet the requirement of the regulator? The financial reporting provisions of a contract such as the bond indenture, loan agreement, project grant. So special purpose framework, it is not as per the general purpose framework. General purpose framework is nothing but like your AS, Ind AS, which is a financial reporting framework to meet the common financial information needs of wide range of users, That's the thing here. So it is quite different from the special purpose framework. Here, when you read the question, you see, okay, this is prepared as per a contract. And further, what it highlights that when you are accepting the engagement, you have to understand the financial information needs of the intended user. This is a very important thing to decide that which financial reporting framework is applicable for the preparation and presentation of financial statement. The applicable financial reporting framework may encompass the financial reporting standards established by an organization that is authorized or recognized to promulgate the standards for the special purpose financial statement. So those standards will be presumed to be acceptable for that purpose if the organization follows an established and a transparent process involving deliberation and consideration of views of the relevant stakeholders. So you have to understand that what is the relevant aspects of the stakeholders. That's the thing here. And also the laws and regulation may prescribe the financial reporting framework to be used by management in the preparation of the special purpose financial statement. Further, the also what you can say the financial reporting standard referred will also you have to comply the requirement of SA 210 require that auditor should determine that is there any conflict between the financial reporting standards and the requirement. So the applicable financial reporting framework will contain the financial reporting provisions of a contract or resources as highlighted here. Okay. So whether standards and auditing is applicable when you conduct the audit of these financial statement, answer is yes, yes. You have to apply the standards on auditing. They'll be very much applicable. Okay. And the reporting requirement also should clearly state that this is an audit of a financial statement which are prepared as per the special purpose framework to meet the financial information needs of a specific user. It is not meant for, it is having a restricted distribution. Okay, so there is a restricted distribution. It is not meant for everybody and anybody. That's how we have to highlight actually. So whether standards and auditing is applicable, definitely. So auditor has to comply with the ethical requirement pertaining to independence as far as this audit is concerned, and all the standards on auditing will be definitely be relevant. They are very much relevant in this case. That's the thing here. You have to alert the readers that these financial statements are prepared as per the special purpose framework and there is a restriction on the distribution of use. This you have to highlight and close it. Okay, fine. This is a question pertaining to SA 800 CD standard. Special consideration where audit of financial statement prepared as per the special purpose framework. I'll see you in the next video.